Now that's cute.
That is cute. So, called it historic stock.
Yeah, you told me.
And it's got railway children coach at the far end.
Right.
Yeah. Is it not? You're joking. I was hoping for Far F to come. Yeah. Tough luck that, ain't it?
You know what I call it? Sod's law.
Yeah.
No,
Right,
but
are we going to go get on that?
Yeah.
It is because you can hear it now coming.
Which is why this man is the best.
I wonder why they've done it like that then. It's a bit strange, isn't it?
What?
Bringing down that service and not... Here it is. Here it is, the father. Get your pictures ready, Chris. Even better. Yeah, boys, 4F for the win. Huh? Best machine in the world is a 4F. Yeah, only I can say that apparently. Look at it! It's beautiful!
I'm gonna go down now, man. Is that alright? Yeah.
Beautiful machine is a 4F. Hello, this is Rose with Ethan here today, and you've got a face reveal for the first time. So we're at Keighey in Worth Valley, we're at the Diesel and Steam Extravaganza Gala. So we're currently sat at Keighey on the shuttle, and I think as you can hear I have my friend here as Chris.
Yo.
So yeah, if you see me, it'll probably be Chris behind the camera. So we're on the shuttle to Ingrave West. It's just me and him. Hope you enjoy.
Well, we've got the Fowler 4F as well, eh?
Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, we've got the Fowler 4F as you can see. Don't put my phone on this. Yeah, Fowler 4F, and we've got a Hudswell 060 diesel on the rear, so that's behind me. We're currently sat in a coach that filmed in the Railway Children, or we're pretty sure it is, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because it's in the livery, so...
Right, I can go get a camera outside.
Yeah, so Chris is going to take the camera and we'll show you. Sitting up. So as you can see, it's Railway Children style coach that's got liveries, and the 4F as you've got slightly better bigger there. So we'll be up at Ingrove West. We'll more than likely film the entire way. But
So it's going to be a long video.
yeah, we're going to film up to Ingrove, so that's 5 minutes once we're set off, obviously. So I'll either be behind the camera when we're out of the windows, or Chris will. It might be a mix of anything and everything. So as
And
always,
also the video will probably cut because we'll probably use my videos as well.
yeah, we'll be using a mix of mine and Chris's videos, and you'll be whatever pictures we see, it'll be from Chris's phone because my phone don't like pictures for some reason. So yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. And this is Rose with Ethan. Hope you enjoy. Bye. Checking. So this isn't Keighey in Worth Valley, but this thing's just pulled in. It's got 247s on this end. Zoom in. Look, 247s, and it's a Pullman. Yeah, this is beautiful.
What, the diesel?
Yeah, no, just the service. Look at that. Just look at that. That's amazing. We didn't even know this was coming either.
Completely chance.
Yeah, just got completely chance.
Not like the flying banana.
Oh yeah, well the flying banana that you saw quite a long time ago, that we knew was coming. No, we didn't. Right, I'm gonna quickly hop off, and I'll go get a slightly better shot. just got to run. Private touring company, obviously. So this is our service. We're in right at the front. So let's quickly get back on. There you go, Chris.
I'm going to get a photo of the foul.
There you go. Right, he's just getting a picture of a fowler. I'll stay in here. So that's something we had no clue was coming in. That just pulled in by chance. As you can tell in our voice, we're extremely excited. Look at that dude. Yeah, that's Chris. Yeah, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're just going to sit in here now because we've got to make sure we can get in. So, as soon as we hear this thing leaving, we'll catch you back on. They're leaving now, we're pretty sure. We've just heard a whistle. There it is. Do you think anything's going to be on the rear? Nah. Sounded like there's something on that back end, because I just heard but it might have been a scream, but no, that was them. Whoa, no, that's people getting off and on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Mark 3s on that service. Oh yeah, it isn't. I can do 90, no problem. Right, we'll catch you back on when we're leaving this time. Not a steam, not a special, not a steam, diesel special. Service, another service has just come in. It is this. And this. It's a limited edition engine as such. So now that this is in, we'll be leaving. So 41241 is the engine that ran the first service here. That's why it's in a special reg. And 78002 is a 260 IVET tender engine, and 41241 is an IVET 220 tank. Now I'm going to pass the camera over to Chris, I think, and he's going to take over.
Right.
Filming. So, hello again. Actually, no, that's what we've just had lunch whilst we were waiting because we got bored. So we're just waiting.
Or part of lunch, anyway.
Part of lunch. So we're just waiting for it to leave. Black smoke as always.
I can show them actually.
Yeah. But yeah. As you can tell with the special that came onto the main line, we had no clue that was happening. So we were very shocked and surprised. Now that this service has come in, as I've just said, we'll be leaving any minute now, give or take.
Give or take, yeah.
Because all the services are running late.
Okay, right. I mean, we've got an engine on the main line, nothing interesting.
Nah, and me. Which I'm not very interesting.
Oh.
We've got a good training as well, which this engine will be taking over.
Should be leaving soon.
We are.
We are.
Oh.
There you go,
I'll
Ethan.
film it because of it's my phone, so if I lose it, it's my fault.
What? So if I drop it?
You have to buy me a new one. Very caring, aren't I?
Yeah.
I'd preferably be like on the side Chris is on, but it's not the end of the world. We can't really get in anyway because of the other service being in. So we'll just...
Right, let's get packed up, Ethan.
We're leaving?
No, we'll be leaving shortly, though.
Shortly, yeah. Right, catch you once we're leaving now. Right, it's been about 10 seconds, give or take, and we're off now, so... Can I get that side, please? Once you've taken your pictures, get your pictures.
Got it.
We'll just sit this side. We're blowing off as well, so that's why we've got white smoke now.
There's somebody everyone.
Right, we'll come this side. Bamboo. There we go, got the whistle. I think there's a Pullman this side. I think there's a Pullman on this service. Next to us. You're joking me. I'll wait a bit. Go on, what's the time? 12:28. We're 20 minutes late. Gotta be off soon, surely. The amount of times, I'm sorry, the amount of times I've said we'll be leaving shortly is an understatement because we've had just so many surprises coming past. So, if this time, right, the whistle's gone, so we've got to be going now. No, yeah, we're going now. I like the whistle on the forward, it's beautiful. Yeah, keep hold of the phone. Here's the Pullman. Wheel slip on a 2-car train. I'll go for you. Would like. Of the tokens been put. Yeah. I think we're just dead towing the diesel behind us, so no wonder we're struggling. No wonder we're struggling, because I think we're dead towing the engine behind us. More than 3 ton, it's probably about 50. So you will be seeing this engine again, sorry if you can't hear me well, but it's on a good service after this. So we'll try and get that, but we'll be up at Ingro looking through the museum. So I'll be filming that, or Chris will be filming that, more than likely. So we'll take you through that. Oh, I'm getting hit with stuff. This engine's got beautiful, beautiful back. bumpy, yeah, but it's nice. I am so glad I have come today. Oh, look, we have talked about this. Yeah, Chris had no clue this was happening, so I did. So he's lucky I told him that this was happening. Put the power down, boys. Max speed on this is 25, so 5-mile line, but you've seen me here before. Nah, 25 max. It's a light railway order. Yeah. We're running late by 20 minutes, not half hour. 20 minutes, but that's because of service that came in just before this. We're waiting for that, so. Try and cover it so you're not getting the wind noise. Spice horses ain't scared of us. Wouldn't surprise me. Oh, we're here now, we're at Ingro. Get your bags ready. Voice crack. Is this tiny? Nah, it's a diesel.
Excited.
Yeah, you can tell me I'm excited. Let's see how good of a stop we're gonna get. Well, there's never a good stop at Ingro, is there? No, we're not. You've got to remember, at this end of the platform, there's a tunnel.
Yeah. Right.
Fairly good stop. Right, mind the gap, yeah. Right, are you good if I just quickly get a... Right, here's the forest. Hello, we're just going to watch this leave now, I think. We have no real clue. Or are we going to go as if we're going to the museum and we'll watch it from there?
Yeah, let's go.
Rightio. We'll keep this on.
Right, do you want me to film?
Got to go back this way. I'm filming already. Because there's two of us, it's a bit confusing on who's filming or not. So we'll just keep rolling, but we've got to be fairly quick about it because we don't know what they're doing. Can we take my bags?
No.
Okay. This way. Got to be quite quick about this because I think they might be leaving soon. I'll take my bags if I need to.
No, Ethan, I've got it.
Okay.
You can video up if you want. You don't have to keep the camera down facing the floor.
Oh yeah, we'll
Give
come.
the viewers some spikes in the video.
Yeah, we'll keep up. I just need to keep the thing.
It'll be a long video.
Yeah, it will be. Might be about half an hour.
Sounds like
They've just started up the diesel, by the sounds of things. We don't know what it is really, do we? We'll come in here after we've seen it leave. Or do we go down there first? No, that's just the society that own it.
Right, we'll be going down to the hills a bit first.
Are we going to go down here first and then up here? Yeah, we'll do that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, because we're already down at this end.
They bring it down into here.
I think there will be, yeah.
If not, we'll still get all the good stuff.
Yeah, we'll see it leave. I don't know what they're going to do with it.
I have no clue.
Oh, well, if you don't know, I don't know. And if I don't know, then we know that no one knows.
We could
say, yeah.
Yeah.
I swear this is at the Middleton.
This one, Hunslet.
This one's.
It's probably come up for a bit, or they own it.
I swear it's owned by the Middleton. They're leaving.
Whistle. So they're leaving. We'll come.
Yeah, they're dragging it.
Yeah, we'll be dragged. So we'll watch it from down here. Passers.
Hey, they've got 37.
37's in the yard. Don't know if we can see very well. We don't. Points are set against it, so it can't. Unless they're sprung, which I don't think there will be.
I think they are actually.
Well, we'll soon find out.
Well, yeah.
Nah, it's going straight. It's going on main. It's off into Headshub. That's where it's going. It's off back down to Keighey. Because then they'll take the far left down there and put it on the goods.
Right,
London Transport. Yeah, Chris will film once we're. The sound you can hear is the cylinder cocks, or the cocks as they're known by railwaymen, open, so that then no water can condensation in there, or condensed in there. So hello, I'm back on camera now, I guess. So as you can see, we've just had the 4F leave, and the 07 we think it is. We've got the 37 in the yard, and Lord Mayor, I think it's called, in the museum.
Excellent.
So
shall we go in the museum?
yeah, we'll go in the museum.
Should we get a good view of the 37 there?
Yeah, we'll try and get a good view.
Okay. $37 there.
So that's the 37 and Lord Mayor.
Right.
The museum isn't as full today because they're using some stock
Quite a lot of stock.
for
And the yard's quite empty and.
that service that we've just been on.
Right, let's go.
So we'll go into the museum now. We've got to wear face masks, it says it's recommended, so we'll do it. But starting the museum now. This is our timetable for the day. So, and I've got my bag on me as well. We've got Lord Mayor here, and loads of books as well, they're 50p. Thousands of them. So, if some of you didn't know, this railway was in the Railway Children. So, yeah.
That's what it's most famous for.
Well, that's what it's most famous for, yeah. Obviously there's not much in here for, like I said, because some of the stock's getting used on the shuttle, which we've just been on. So that's why this section's so empty. We'll just go up onto Lord Mayor now and go and have a look in the cab. So we're in. And
Quite fit.
yeah, it's a bit of a small fit because that's it's obviously a shunter's engine. So, of course, I know some of you are not railway enthusiasts. I'll explain what everything is. So this, what I'm holding here, is the regulator. This shows how much steam's coming in and out of the throttle as such. This is your handbrake. This isn't connected, but this would be your handbrake. So this is what holds the engine. You've got down here is the fireworks door. That would shut. It wouldn't shut fully, but it can open and slide. This is in the way a bit. Here is your dampers. So this is what helps the fireworks flow. It's got brake here, air brake. This I'm not quite sure what it is, so let me just look at the thing. Sanders. Here we have the reverser. So this, if I just watch yourself.
Can you not do it, Ethan?
I can, but it's hard.
There you go.
That's the reverser. You've got your, I think this might be the watercocks and injectors. Blower, brake gauge, sorry, boiler pressure, porthole windows, whistle, vacuum injectors, and that's mainly what you'd need to know. This is where your water glass would be, so this would be open the top drains and bottom drains here, but obviously the glass isn't in for safety reasons. So that's everything really on this engine.
Well, apart from the side.
And the
Small amount
firebox.
of coal.
Yeah, because this engine would have meant for shunting only really. So in there's the firebox. It's a small little engine, but it's cute.
040.
040, yeah. 0 leaders, 4 drivers, and 0 trailers. That's how we get 040. So we'll just continue round this way. So obviously here we have underground, and as you can hear in the background, we've got a video playing.
Let's have a look at the catering trolley.
Yeah, we'll look at the catering stuff now. So
That's the catering trolley.
Yeah, this is the catering trolley. Haha. Behind it looks to be more of a European style stuff. That would run all over. So we'll just continue down here and then we'll go up to the top floor. So we've got a little layout here of Inglow West. So this is where we are. We're here currently. In this big yard, shunting yard. The main line's behind it. And as you can see right there, you've got a representation of Lord Mayor. Which I think is quite cute. They've got the pannier tank, which they do own, which is up at Oxenhope. So we'll
Rail
go
car.
see that later. Yeah, we've got the rail car and some other rolling stock, and they have their flagship engine going away.
Yes. Or would be repainted.
Ought to be repainted, yeah, which I'm pretty sure they might.
That's the video.
That's the video. I've just got time for the video.
Get trolled.
Yeah, we'll hear the steam service if it comes in. So in here, we've just got railway items that were on the railway. That's the engine.
Is it? No, it's a video. We keep getting.
done by the videos.
This is really annoying. Carriage print.
Carriage print, yeah. Seats. We need to turn this video off, I swear.
Not happening.
So this is where we were. Slow. Got more, what do we say, prints that were on the platforms. This is where we were. Items that were worked on the railway. So in here we have a live steam engine. Everything is the same as Lord Mayor, just sized down a bit.
Yeah, with probably less equipment.
With less equipment, yeah.
Got a nice teak here.
Metropolitan Railways Chesham coach. If you've ever seen the Railway series from the Reverend Robert Audrey or Thomas and Friends books, this coach would have been what came with Stepney, the Bluebell engine, and the Adams radial, if you saw that. Those are their locomotives. I don't know how they own Bellamorph, but apparently they do. Sir Berkeley
They're
is...
Bellefonte. No, they don't own Bellefonte.
Sir Berkeley is up at... I don't quite know, actually. Sir Berkeley is up at Hunslet Railway, and Bellamorph is getting under restoration somewhere.
Classic railway children's scene
Yep,
there.
railway children's scene right there. That's by Bachman. So, down here we have the carriage works. Got some rolling stock in getting worked on. And the diesel rail car.
The diesel rail car. Oh.
So we'll go up here now.
What, and then are we going to go into the rail car? Are we going to go into the rail car then after? Or perhaps see the rail car? Ethan, hang on.
This is first class. and as you can tell, I try to imitate a posh person, but obviously, as you can tell, I am not posh.
Gosh, it's really comfy.
So in here, this is what the first class would have been in the early 19th century. So very similar to the coach we've been in, except it's got these nice comfy seats. And then there's the lavatory. A coach has a lavatory.
Yeah. Video. We're not getting pranked by it again. In here, this is first class in here, actually, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah,
Well, that's first class for Metropolitan Railway. And next
video.
class, third class. So you've just seen what we were in. That is third class. But big difference. Very, very big difference.
Still better than some third classes.
Better, yeah. Guardsman. So this would have been the handbrake for the entire train. If he swung that wheel, it would put the brakes on. There we go. Caught now. Brakes on.
Right, yeah, we get the idea, Ethan.
Or brakes off. So the guy would have sat here and he could look down the entire train no matter what way.
Same with the other side.
Same with the other side, yeah. And this is his brake, this is his vacuum. So this is showing how much pressure he has in it, and that's the coach moving. So this is first class of, this is actually very similar to what we were riding in. It's obviously lit. And
Would have been a gas lamp, but...
Would have been a gas lamp, yeah. And as you can tell, it's very similar. You've already seen in here, so we won't stay that long. So that's what some third classes were like. Wooden bench seats. Not very nice, is that? But that's what their 18th, 19th century was like.
Then first class was...
First class was that. If you can see that, it's a bit dark in there.
Don't have any... This is the this is the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincoln Railway.
There's a dog.
Another first class.
And a dog. This is what...
Master James.
Lady, can you please stop talking? Right, this is what third class would have been like. Wooden floor, wooden seats. Uncomfortable after about an hour, I'd say.
Jane, who's
But
my
it's okay
friend.
for now.
She's a parlour maid.
You'd probably
She's
stack
a
about
label to Cleethorpes.
12 people in here.
Right,
And
we've
this
got...
is the guard van and the coach. We have not really got any origins on.
It's the video. No, come on, Ethan, it's the video.
I think it's the video. So this is obviously the guard's van here. As you can tell, on and off.
Hello, what are you doing
It's more like an anchor's
here? This isn't a
wheel.
passenger compartment, you know. You're not allowed in here at all.
More like
here.
a ship's steering wheel.
Did you
So we'll start walking through, I think.
Be careful there on the step.
So obviously,
You know.
it's a lot bigger than what the coaches we've just been in. But it's a bogie coach. So
When the train sets off.
let's go then. We'll start walking through this carriage. I think this will be mainly all.
First class?
No, we'll go second. So this coach is filmed in The Woman in Black 2, Angel of Death.
Right.
So interesting. It's all the same, but obviously sliding doors.
Unlockable.
Unlockable doors, yeah. It's got a blind. That was an invention of the century. We'll just show you the blind. Obviously primitive. And it's latchable, so I'll latch it on that side. It's a bit small, but stay the race. Yep, that's the vlog. And the blinds on this one as well. Blinds
For complete privacy.
for complete
And then
privacy,
one
or
on
if
the
you're
side.
sleeping on a long haul service, with each of these coaches would have more than likely worked on. This looks to be like ashtrays. I think they're ashtrays
For cigarettes, yeah.
for cigarettes or cigars. So this is very similar to the coaches we'd have seen.
Just, it's all the same.
All the same style.
Peaky Blinders
thing.
with Silverman's in there.
but they've all been like this, all the stock. This is very similar to stocks of the early 19th century.
And then we've got the end here.
And we've got the end here. So,
Nothing interesting. Right.
and through them doors would have been to the other coaching stock.
And then breaking or something in there, but you can't quite see it because it's just too dark.
Yeah.
Right,
So
come
we'll
on.
walk back through here now. All the way through.
Yep. And past the guard.
And past the guard, yeah, past Billy Bob.
Is that what you named him?
Yeah, I'm naming him Billy Bob now.
Oh, no, what are
Gotta
you
give
doing?
someone a name. So we'll just go back now.
And let's have a look at the rail car.
Yeah. Gotta try and keep my back close to it. See them there. Got time for one. Follow more.
Yeah.
So that's the diesel rail car. They have 3 of these. They have this one and 2 others, which I think are up at Haworth Motive Power Depot.
No clue. Right.
We have no clue really, but
Oh, so we can't go up and see it.
no. The next service that comes, I think we might be getting on
Well, if we catch it in
if
time.
we get there in time. So we'll just slowly make our way back now to the platform, I think.
Yeah.
And we'll,
Load of signal and railway armour stuff.
yeah.
Maps.
Maps. Yeah. This is the other side of the coaching stop. Obviously footsteps for the
It was lower.
because the platform would have been lower. Lamps. Oh, different types of lamps.
Yeah. Magazine room.
Magazine room. And we'll quickly just meet back round to the front.
Right, let's go back into the.
Yeah, we'll catch you back. We'll catch you once we're back on the train or on the platform.
Or in the other museum.
Or in the other museum, yeah, because there is another museum here. So, see you then, I guess.
Right.
Bye. So we've actually just had the service we were going to catch come screaming through non-stop because we didn't see that
As long as you don't get
on our
number
thing.
plates. Ethan, as long as you don't get number plates in your car.
Yeah. So we weren't expecting that. We were going to try and get that, but it came past way too fast for us to try and get the camera out and see it. But
We were still in the museum actually. But
yeah, we were still in the museum. We were just coming out as we heard it.
am I videoing anything for you?
Yeah. So the next service, if you just hold that whilst I quickly look at our thing. Open it up. Wrong way. So that was the 12:35 out of Keighey. We've then got the 1300 out of Keighey, which will be
Good.
a good service. So we're going to have to get the 1335 from Keighey, which is 20 class 26 and
Watch out,
27
Ethan.
diesel. So,
Well, I mean, that's not too bad, is it?
It's not too bad. No,
Are we just going to go to the end of the line then?
Yeah, we'll just go all the way to the end now. Go have a look in the museum there. But we knew a non-stop service was happening.
But
We just didn't know it was that one.
And we didn't know how fast it was going,
The speed limit on this line's 25.
like you said.
So it looked like it was doing about 40, but it would have only been doing about 25.
No, it was doing more than 25.
Maybe 30 max. But that's it. So we're going to go look in here now. Right. Hello. So we've got a demonstration on goods coming now. train's on its way now, we're just waiting for it to get here. Oh wait, it's here now. The diesels, so sailor fee. Class 27 and 26.
All heading.
And they have a headboard on by the looks of things.
2701, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, I think so. SRPS diesel group. Corgi. One of these two. That's about what? For Oxenode? Yeah, you can. Chris, just getting in. Mind if you join us? Oh wait, no. Don't matter. We'll just get onto the back coach. Just come on, hurry up. We need to go quick. Oh, can we quickly hop on? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, he's off. Alright.
Yeah.
Go green down.